If you set your goals ridiculously high and it's a failure, you will fail above everyone else's success. James Cameron. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. Henry David Thoreau. If you are not willing to risk the usual, you will have to settle for the ordinary. Jim Rohn. Stop chasing the money and start chasing the passion. Tony Hsieh. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Walt Disney. Success is walking from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm. Winston Churchill. Whenever you see a successful person, you only see the public glories, never the private sacrifices to reach them. Vaibhav Shah. Try not to become a person of success, but rather try to become a person of value. Albert Einstein. Great minds discuss ideas, average minds discuss events, small minds discuss people. Eleanor Roosevelt. The best revenge is massive success. Frank Sinatra. A successful man is one who can lay a firm foundation with the bricks others have thrown at him. David Brinkley. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. Eleanor Roosevelt. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. Henry Ford. Don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great. John D. Rockefeller. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. Albert Einstein. Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. Arthur Ashe. The starting point of all achievement is desire. Napoleon Hill. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Robert Collier.